79,000 euros in Munich? Yes, you heard that right. In one of the most expensive cities in Germany, you can still find properties for under 100,000 euros. But are they actually worth buying? Today, we're going to tour properties ranging from 79,000 euros to 129,000 euros, and some of them could be incredible investment opportunities. Although there's one property I personally would never buy. Stay until the end to find out which one it is. Let's get started.
Apartment number 9, 129,000 euros. Let's start with the most expensive property in today's list. This one is located in Heidhausen-Oe, one of Munich's most desirable neighborhoods, just a short walk from the Isar River and the Gasteig Cultural Center. It's also only a few minutes from Rosenheimerplatz station, giving you quick access to every part of the city. The apartment offers almost 30 square meters of living space, with a modern renovation, a bright open layout, and a large, southeast-facing balcony, which is definitely one of its strongest selling points. Inside, you'll find new flooring, a stylish white kitchenette, plenty of storage, and a well-maintained bathroom with a bathtub. The apartment is vacant, meaning you could move in or rent it out immediately. Residents also have access to a bicycle storage room, laundry facilities, and a private cellar compartment. Now, here's the catch. This apartment is sold under a leasehold agreement, not freehold ownership. That means you own the apartment itself, but not the land beneath it. The lease expires in 2050, and there's also a monthly ground rent that currently costs around 85 euros. On top of that, the future owner will also have to pay approximately 4,400 euros in special assessments for roof and facade renovations that have already been approved. So, while 129,000 euros sounds attractive for such a central Munich location, these additional costs are something every buyer should carefully consider before making a decision. Apartment number 8, 129,000 euros. Next up, we have another apartment in the same residential complex, located in the highly desirable Heidhausen-Oe district, just minutes from Munich's city center and the Gasteig Cultural Center. This one also offers just under 30 square meters of living space, but the biggest difference is its completely renovated interior. The apartment has a much more modern and stylish feel, with gray flooring, warm wood accents, and contemporary lighting that gives the space a cozy atmosphere. Even the bathroom has been redesigned with darker finishes, creating a sleek and premium look. If you like the interior design, the furniture can also be purchased separately. Like the previous apartment, it's being sold vacant, so it's ready for immediate occupancy, or as an investment property. However, there are a few important things to keep in mind. This is also a leasehold property, meaning you own the apartment, but not the land. The lease expires in 2050. There's a monthly ground rent of around 85 euros, and the buyer will also be responsible for the remaining special assessments for the building's roof and facade renovation. If you're looking for a move-in ready studio in a fantastic Munich location, this one definitely stands out thanks to its modern renovation. Apartment number 7, 127,270 euros. This next property is a little different from the others. It's not designed for someone looking for a permanent home. It's built specifically as an investment opportunity. Located in the greater Munich area, this fully furnished My Loft studio offers just over 13 square meters of living space, but every inch is designed for short-term rentals, aimed at business travelers and professionals. One of its biggest advantages is the full-service management. The operator takes care of everything, including marketing, bookings, guest services, cleaning, and maintenance, making it a completely hands-off investment for the owner. The downside? At over 9,300 euros per square meter, it's one of the most expensive properties on today's list. But if you're looking for passive rental income in one of Germany's strongest real estate markets, This could be an interesting option. Apartment number 6, 125,000 euros. We have a larger apartment located in the quiet neighborhood of Altperlach, offering a lot more space than the previous listings. This 1.5 room apartment features 39 square meters of living space, a west-facing balcony, a private underground parking space, and a practical layout that's ideal for a single person or a couple. The apartment is currently rented for 700 euros per month, making it an attractive option for investors looking for immediate rental income. One important detail is that this is also a leasehold property, with the lease running until 2071 and a monthly ground rent of around 69 euros. Overall, if you're looking for more living space, a parking spot, and a stable rental property in a quiet residential area of Munich, this could be one of the better value options on today's list. Apartment number 5, 120,000 euros. This next property is probably the most unique investment on today's list. It's not a traditional apartment, but a care home unit located in the popular district of Trudering. The unit offers just over 20 square meters and is part of a modern nursing home that has been operated by the same company since 2012. As an owner, you don't have to find tenants or manage the property. The operator takes care of everything. The property currently generates around 7,200 euros per year in rental income, making it an interesting option for investors looking for a more passive investment. However, there are a few things to consider. This is also a leasehold property, with the lease running until 2077, and there's an annual ground rent of nearly 2,000 euros if your goal is steady rental income rather than living in the property yourself. This could be one of the most hands-off investment opportunities on today's list. Apartment number 4, 120,000 euros. Our next property brings us back to the desirable Auheidhausen district, just a short walk from the Isar River and only minutes from Munich's city center. This 28 square meter studio apartment comes fully furnished and move-in ready, making it a great option for either personal use or as a rental investment. One of its best features is the southwest-facing loggia, overlooking a quiet green courtyard. The building also offers an elevator, a private storage cellar, bicycle storage, and shared laundry facilities. The main downside? Like several properties on today's list, this is a leasehold apartment, with the lease expiring at the end of 2049, and an annual ground rent of about 1,000 euros. Still, if you're looking for a furnished apartment in one of Munich's most sought-after neighborhoods, this is definitely an interesting option to consider. Apartment number 3, 115,000 euros. Coming in at number 3, we have a studio apartment priced at just 115,000 euros. And for Munich, that's definitely an eye-catching price. It's located in the highly desirable Heidhausen-Au district, just a short walk from the Isar River, the Gasteig Cultural Center, and Rosenheimer Platz, giving you excellent public transportation connections across the entire city. The apartment offers almost 25 square meters of living space with a bright open floor plan, large windows, and a full-width west-facing balcony, overlooking a peaceful green courtyard. It also includes a private cellar, bicycle storage, and access to a shared laundry room. The apartment is vacant, so it's ready for immediate occupancy, or could become a rental property right away. Now, there are a few things you should know. The bathroom is still in its original condition and would benefit from a renovation. It's also a leasehold property, with the lease running until 2050, a monthly ground rent of around €70, and the buyer will also be responsible for the remaining special assessments for the building's roof and facade renovation. Even with those additional costs, finding a property in this part of Munich for just €115,000 is pretty remarkable, especially if you're willing to renovate and increase its value over time. Apartment number 2, €104,000. Coming in at number 2, we have one of the most affordable properties on today's list at just €104,000. But there's a catch. This isn't a traditional apartment. It's a hotel investment unit. Located in Obersendling, just a short walk from the Machtelfingerstraße U-Bahn station, this 24 square meter furnished studio is part of a well-maintained 4-star Holiday Inn hotel. The room was renovated just a few years ago and comes fully furnished. As an owner, you don't have to worry about finding tenants or managing the property because it's leased directly to the hotel operator. The hotel itself offers amenities like a fitness center, sauna, steam room, conference facilities, restaurants, and a bar, making it an attractive destination for business travelers. The current net rental income is around €376 per month, providing a steady stream of passive income without the day-to-day responsibilities of being a landlord. So, while you won't be able to live here yourself, if you're looking for a simple, hands-off real estate investment in Munich for just over €100,000, this could be a very interesting opportunity. Apartment number 1, €79,000. And here it is, the number 1 property on today's list, just €79,000 in Munich. Honestly, when I first saw this listing, I had to double check the price. This 27 square meter studio apartment is located in the highly desirable Au-Heidhausen district, just minutes from the Isar River, and within walking distance of Rosenheimer Platz, giving you quick access to the entire city. One of its biggest highlights is the west-facing loggia on the 9th floor, offering beautiful panoramic views over Munich, something you don't often find at this price point. The apartment is currently rented for around €500 per month, making it an immediate investment opportunity. It also includes a private cellar, plus access to shared laundry facilities and bicycle storage. Now, here's the catch. This is a leasehold property with a lease running until 2050, and the apartment is in need of renovation, as much of the interior remains in its original condition. But even considering those factors, finding a property in one of Munich's most sought-after neighborhoods for just €79,000 is incredibly rare. If you're willing to renovate and understand the leasehold conditions, this could be one of the most affordable entry points into the Munich real estate market.
So, what do you think? Which of these 9 properties would you actually buy? Was it one of the renovated apartments near the Isar? One of the passive investment opportunities? Or did the €79,000 apartment surprise you the most? Let me know in the comments. I'm really curious to know which one was your favorite, and more importantly, which one you would invest in if it were your money. If you enjoy this type of content, where we explore affordable properties across Germany and Europe, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next property tour. And before you go, if you found this video interesting, don't just leave a like. Give it a hype. A hype gives the video even more visibility than a regular like, and really helps the channel reach more people who are interested in real estate, investing, and living in Europe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tour. Bye.